So many people that I interview are very well trained not to give anything away. They're very controlled. They speak in perfect sound bites. They only say what they want to say. And that makes it even more important when you're doing an interview to pay attention to everything that's going on, to be alert to everything that's going on, a hesitation, a pause, a sigh, anything that might give you a clue as to what they're really thinking, even a look in their eyes where you can tell someone wants to say more than they've just said. And it's important as an interview not only to listen to what people say, but to watch what they do. And sometimes you can make news if you do. Sometimes the way you move your body is as important as the words you speak. When you're speaking with someone, if you want them to open up, you should have kind of an open stance. You should be open as well. Listening is the key to any great interview or any great conversation, but also be alert to what isn't being said and what's being communicated by how people carry themselves, their facial expressions, the way they walk into a room, the way they sit down when they're about to have this conversation. Sometimes those can be the most important clues to how the conversation is going to go and can give you the tools you need to get what you need out of the conversation. You want whoever you're talking to believe and to know they have your full attention. Look them in the eye, lean in, nod your head when it's appropriate, express some skepticism when it's appropriate, shake your head no if that's right. Communicate with your entire body, but the most important thing is to lean in, look them in the eye, and make them understand you are there for them.